Alright guys, this is Strategic One Automation. So today I just showed that my 50 kilowatt hour batteries that I'm working on it right now. Like this is the first one that I just made it from aluminum because the copper is so expensive. The middle one I reused the stuff from there. From the when I disassemble the battery, the middle one is a copper plate, and I just reuse it. Well, it's not perfect, but it's okay. And the aluminum, because it's cheaper, it it's not the best compared to copper, but it's relatively okay. It's not too bad. So I'm using aluminum because it's cheaper. And I will have to reassemble this one because this one I do 7 series, but if I do this 7 series, I require each one of this package with BMS, but I save a lot of copper plate. I don't need it. I just reuse the one I've come from when I disassemble the battery from the package, which is I bought 2 of this, one here and another one right there. I just completely, now I have to dispose it, but that's heavy stuff. Don't worry about it. Worry about what I'm gonna do with this, because right now it take me a long time to work on this because I do it from using hand tool, not so for just doing the hand tool, it's needs some creativity and hard work, a little bit harder, but it's alright. I can manage it. And this one is also I believe so. Yeah, I have to disassemble this and then cut to a piece of aluminum. It's fine. Aluminum conductivity is not bad. They use it for the power line. For everything is aluminum, it's not copper. So it should be okay. So stay tuned till I get in some more of this. The second set, I'll post the second episode of this when I get completely assemble 7. I supposed to do 14 of this. I can't lift too much. This is 7, is heavy already. If I put 14 in one parallels, I won't be able to lift it. So what I did is make it 7 and then attach the wire from here to the next one to make in parallels for 7 set. So I have 14, so it's 2 set of this. It's gonna make up 50. Actually it's not, it's just 4.8, right? 48, right? Each one of this is 24 kilowatt. Each package of the Nissan Leaf is 24 kilowatt. So I bought 2 at 48, and degradation for 60%. It's even less than that. But anyway, regardless, let's say it's 50 kilowatt, right? Rounded off to 50 kilowatt. The 60% of it, it's about 60 kilowatt hours left, right? 60% capacity, but it might be more, who knows. And plus in a car they're using more. In for us using for solar, we're using less. We're not gonna be put a lot of stress on the system that much, but regardless of whatever, it's the same thing, the same, almost the same purpose. But because we discharge it less than car, the cycle is slowed down, right? It's not like a car, you drive it, they put a lot of stress on it. Anyway, regardless of that, I just finished first. This is the first one, so we're gonna need 6 more of this. Well, actually 13 more technically. Alright, stay tuned. I'll see you in the second episode when I complete all the 14 batch and put it together. See you later. Thanks for watching.